everyone, Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video, I am going to teach you subject algebra of class 10 Maharashtra board from the lesson probability important question which can be asked for the board. Children, the question number 1 is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, find the probability of the following event. The first event is given getting at least one tail, and second event is given getting at most one tail. So first of all, student will toss the 3 coins and we will write the sample. The sample for the 3 coins is how much, student? Number of sample is 8. Now student, the first event is given. A is the event of getting at least one tail. It means one tail or more than one tail, means minimum, at least means minimum one tail. More than one tail it can be taken. So our A is HHT, means head tail, STH, THH, TTT, TTH, THT, HTT. In this, even if you see there is a one tail or more than one tail, it means number of A is 7. Now here we have to find the probability. So number of probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. So number of A, how much it was there? 7. The sample is given 8. So our probability of A is 7 upon 8. Now the second event is given. B is the event of getting at most one tail. It means at most means maximum one tail, minimum may be 0. It means no tail or one tail. So B equal to HHH, here no tail is there, HHT one tail, STH also one tail, THS here also one tail. It means number of B is 4. Now probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. So here number of B is 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8 means 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So our answer is 1 upon 2. Therefore the probability of B equal to 1 upon 2. This question can be asked for how much marks? 3 marks. 1 marks for the sample, 1 marks for the probability of A, and 1 marks for the probability of B. Children, now there are 3 boys and 3 girls. An environment committee of 2 is to be formed. We have to form committee of 2. Let the sample space S, number of S. Express the following events using set and mention the total number of elements in the following events. So the first event is given. A is the event that the committee should contain at least 2 girls. B is the event that the committee should contain both the boys. And C is the event that there is only one girl in the committee. And D is the event that there is at most one boy in the committee. So first of all, we will write the sample. Committee of 2 is to be formed, and here it is given 3 boys and 3 girls. It means B1, B2 we will take, B1, B3, B2, B3, B1, G1, B1, G2, B1, G3. This way we will form the committee till. And number of S we got 15. Now children, here the first event is given. A is the event that the committee should contain at least 2 girls. If you see the sample, at least 2 girls means minimum 2 girls. So here G1, G2, G1, G3 and G2, G3 are the 3 where is a committee of 2 girls. Now number of A is 3. Now second event is given. B is the event that the committee should contain both the boys. Here both the committee have the boys B1, B2, B1, B3, B2 and B3. Number of B is how much student? 3. Now we will take the event. C is the event that there is only one girl in the committee. Only one girl means there will be a boy or one girl. So number of C we get 9. Now children, D is the event that there is at most one boy in the committee. At most means one boy or no boy. At most means maximum. So D equal to where is a one boy or no boy, we will take the group. Number of D we got 12. So these types of question can come for the 4 marks. Now children, the third one is given that the sample space for selecting a day randomly of the week. So this sample space mostly it is asked for the 1 mark question for question number 1B. Solution, we have to write the sample space for a day randomly of the week. S stand for sample equal to, take curly bracket, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here number of S is how much? 7. Now the next question is that the sample space for selecting a month randomly of the year. So here same way how we have taken the week, here we will take the month. So total number of sample is 12. So here I have taken the week. Here they can ask any group name for the sample space. Okay. Now question number 5. A box containing 30 tickets bearing only one number from 1 to 30 on each. If one ticket is drawn at random, find the probability of an event that the ticket drawn bear. First is given an odd number. The second one is given complete square number. Now we will write the sample number till 30. Number of S is 30. So our sample is 30. The first event is given. A is the event of getting an odd number. Odd number we know, which is not multiple of 2. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this is till 29 we will write. Number of A is how much student? 15. But here we have to find probability. So probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. So number of A we got 15 and number of S is 30. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So here we get probability of A is 1 upon 2. Now children, the second event is given. B is the event of getting complete square number. From 1 to 30, which number is the complete square of given number? 1 is the square of 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36, but we have taken till 30, so we can't take 36. So 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25 are the square of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of B we got 5. Now we have to find the probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. So number of B we have 5, number of S we have 30. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. I hope you have understood.